Basically, my bike is a Stanton Switch9er, hardtail, aggressive hardtail. Stanton, there's only one local distributor. Stanton from UK, direct from them. So Radical Velo get the bike directly from UK. This is a one-piece custom paint color, brownish maroon. Color scheme on it is more like brownish or bronzy, I would say bronzy with a bit of gold, touch of gold here and there. Frame is a Stanton Switch9er steel hardcore aggressive hardtail. The 29-inch rear frame on a 16-inch size. It's a size 16 steel frame, full chromoly. The cockpit will be base component handlebar, a 20-degree raise on a rev grip stem with a cruise king headset, rev grips itself, and brakes from Italy. Okay, the brakes is brakings from Italy, right? They are MotoGP, motocross brakes modulation with very good modulation. It's running on DOT fluid, again not your regular mineral oils. So modulation wise, it's been magnificent. Single port, there's just a single port, good enough. Brakings rotor as well. Okay, these are all the braking rotors, 180 front and rear, 481 rims, alu with what spoke is that? CX Ray Sapin bladed on the wheel set, running on Olin's cranks, Concrete E-wings on a Absolute Black chainring 32. About the crank, I'm running E-wings on Concrete 170 titanium cranks. It's very stiff. It reduces a lot of flex, so power transfer quite direct onto the drivetrain. PNW dropper on a new proof saddle, running new proof pedals, SPD. Standard stuff running on a X01 drivetrain, shifter X01 rear D with a GX cassette at the rear. That's about all on this simple bike. I got this Stanton, got it from Radical SG, we call it Radical Velo. This bike is built up by Benny Cole, okay, presently at Red Dot Cycle. My bikes are all built by him, only trust him on my bikes. Okay, if you look at the chainstay protector, weird different type of chainstay protector that you see regularly. This is the VHS chainstay protector, right? There's only one local distributor, Stanton from UK. Okay, my name is Tommy. I'm riding a Stanton Switch9er 16-inch hardcore hardtail. Alright, this is my bike check.